Big up, big up. Big up, big up.
Hello, everybody. Greetings. Welcome to Forever Living Products live Facebook live session. Uh, Friends, do you have a goal in your mind? Do you have a goal in your life? Do you have a vision which you want to fulfill? So, we have a plan. Now, all you need to do is take action and implement that plan. Today, we are gathered here today to discuss and see our marketing plan. It's one of a kind, global, revolutionary global network marketing plan. It's the best in the industry. Good morning, friends. I'm Devi Vadapalli. I'm a senior manager, a part-time homemaker, and a part-time forever FBO owner. Uh, along with my husband, have been doing this business for more than 19 years now. And trust me, friends, when I say this business opportunity from Forever has changed our life 360 degrees. It has given a great lifestyle. It has given us the financial freedom and freedom of time, which everybody looks out for. So, uh, without any further ado, let me share what we have in store for you today. So, once again, welcome to Forever Living Products. Greetings, everybody. Okay, there is something, yeah. Uh, Friends, every day is a learning day. Now, even though I am with Forever for more than 19 years now, I still learn something new every single day. So I suggest that you keep a notepad and pencil beside you to note down all the important points, because they say short pencil is better than a long memory. And um, without any distractions, sit in a quiet corner in whatever place you are in and pay attention for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. Make sure your phone is fully charged or your laptop, and uh, please avoid any phone calls, and keep it on silent mode. So yeah, we are going to discuss world's best marketing plan. So it is very important to understand the marketing plan. Then only you will share it properly and implement it effectively. Now, friends, everybody, including, there's one common thing among everybody. All of us have one common thing which we can't change and which is very precious. A billionaire like Mukesh Ambani and a common man on the street has only 24 hours in a day. So when you are putting this precious time into understanding something, and when you're trying to understand the marketing plan of a company, I suggest it should be the best of your ability to understand it so that you can implement it effectively. So the company says, your future is our plan. You know, it is so important to be associated with a good company, my friends. They say your future is as good as the company you keep. Now, these are the three key points that I will be sharing with you. Just give me a second. We have one technical difficulty here. I'm just trying to move my screen. Okay, so we are going to discuss the three key points of this company: the background and the backbone of the company, the products of the company, and the financial compensation. So when you're putting your precious time into and precious time and efforts in a company, you might as well look at these three key points. Now, when you look at the background and backbone of the company, it's a very old company, my friends. It started in 1978 in Phoenix, Arizona. You know, they say the older the company, the better its track record and the better its, how trustworthy it is. So it's a 42-year-old company, and it is in 160 plus countries worldwide, operating successfully in all these countries. And in India, it started in 2000, and over 3.8 billion worldwide is the turnover that the company does, and 10 million FBOs are with Forever Living products, and in India it crossed more than 500 crores. So here you can assess the how you assess how strong the company Forever Living products is. And when you come to the second point, that is the products of the company, friends, FLP has the world's unique products. They have worldwide patents. We are the world's largest manufacturers, growers, manufacturers, and distributors in aloe vera and beehive based products. And Forever owns 6,500 acres of aloe fields. Now, I would like to add one important fact here. By listening to that fact, you will understand and gauge, you will be able to assess the quality of the products only by listening to that one point. See, all the products are manufactured in USA alone and distributed to 160 plus countries. Now, all these 160 plus countries have different rules, different regulations, and quality standards to meet. Forever meets all those standards in all these countries. Now, this one fact itself will make you understand how good quality products are we dealing with. They are result oriented. We in my family have been using them for 19 years and enjoying great health, my friends. And when you share such quality products with your friends and family and relatives and the prospects, you are going to share it from your heart, which is so important. And coming to the third point, now, how good is the financial compensation given by Forever? Friends, it is the best in the world. In and the most FBO friendly plan. It is also the highest payout to the FBOs in the industry. You know, friends, the most two lucrative and happening industries are combined in Forever. The one is the wellness industry, and one is the network marketing industry. Now, these two industries combined together are put together as one good financial marketing plan in Forever. And you can earn 11 different types of income here. Then there is an incentive called chairman bonus. It's like a Diwali bonus. Now, this is paid in India. So far, 59 crores have been paid in India as a chairman bonus by Forever. So let's try and understand what is the product to consumer cycle. In the traditional business, a manufacturer manufactures products. He has a certain cost to it. Then he distributes it to the national distributors. The national distributors in turn give it to the regional distributors, the wholesalers. Then the wholesalers in turn give it to the retailers. Now there are so many middlemen here, and it's not easy to sell products, my friends. You need to spend crores of rupees. Companies hire big celebrities, and they spend crores of rupees on TV ads and hoardings along with those celebrities, who most of them don't even use the products. They spend it on sponsorship, the warehousing. Now all these costs are borne by the consumer. The end result is, for example, I can take an example of a cola. Now, a Coca-Cola company manufactures, cost of manufacturing its product is say 5 rupees. By the time it reaches the end consumer, it is 75 rupees. So when you're comparing this with FLP business, you can see that there is the company, the FPO, and the consumer. Now, all the middlemen money goes into the FPO's pocket only. Now, you can see that this is one of the best way of direct selling market. And now you can also see here that Forever has no joining fees. Isn't it wonderful, friends? Anybody can join Forever and start doing business. There is no renewal fee. Then you can avail all the free seminars and free trainings that the company gives you, thereby giving you that knowledge and that power to share this powerful marketing plan with your friends. Then you have a potential of earning unlimited income. This is a global business, my friends. You can do this business in 160 plus countries sitting here in India. This is not only a home based business, but it is a business which you can do from anywhere. Business, now these are the next 2 points are my favorite. Business gets inherited. Now you put so much time and effort in this company, and when you're no more, god forbid if something happens to me and or my husband, this business gets inherited by my children. You can pass it on, you can leave a legacy. It doesn't stop here, so all your efforts are are paid off. And friends, bonuses here are paid on BRP, bonus recap price. Now, this is a USP. This is the USP of Forever Living products. No other company pays bonuses on BRP. They pay it on distributor price. And friends, there's a potential to earn Western income. Sitting here in India, you can earn dollars, you can earn in dollars, you can earn in pounds. Where your business operates in different parts of the world, you can start earning in that currency. Now, what are the rewards of this plan that I'm going to discuss? I'm going to discuss about the discounts, the retail profits, the personal bonuses, volume bonuses, readership bonuses, gem bonuses, earned incentive program. Then there is chairman's bonus. And here the personality development is second to none. People pay loads and loads of money and attend seminars and classes for personality development. But here there is personality development happens, which happens automatically. I can give my example. I'm a homemaker. I have never dreamt of talking to people on a stage in front of 200, 300 people, in front of hundreds of people. Now I have developed my personality thanks to Forever. This happened automatically. And you get a chance to go abroad, go on exotic vacations. I myself have attended so many vacations free of cost. Trust me when I say this, we had such great fun. Now let's talk about the business philosophy of Forever Living products. Everybody joins Forever as a customer, but you're not considered as a ordinary customer. You're known as preferred customer. There is system in place, my friends. The philosophy of Forever says that you use the products, and when you use them and see the power of the products, see the results, you start recommending the products to your friends and family and acquaintances, and it comes from your heart. You share it with others, and automatically your business is developed into a lucrative business. That's how I started this business. That's how I and my husband have established ourselves, and we have a long way to go. Now let's start, and the best part of Forever, the best product of Forever Living Products is the marketing plan. It is one of the best products that you can start using and achieve your goal in life. Looking at the marketing plan structure here, you see that Forever Living Products is in 160 plus countries, and each country has different currency. So to give it a common currency, each product of Forever Living is assigned a case credit. It's called as CC. Now, for example, if there is aloe vera gel, it is assigned 0.102 cc. And when you buy lemon gels, it adds up to 1.122 cc. So 1.12 cc is added as your business turnover. And you join Forever as a preferred customer. There are 4 different stages here. The From preferred customer, you can achieve the position of assistant supervisor, but when your business touches 2cc. Now 2cc is equals to 30,000 rupees. Now once your turnover, once you and your team and you and your sponsored prospects together combine together make 2cc, you are known as the assistant supervisor. And when you and your team achieve 25cc, you become supervisor. Similarly, an assistant manager reaches the position here with 75cc turnover, and the manager can achieve this position with 120cc in 2 consecutive calendar months. Now, there's an option here for you to become a manager either in 2 months with 120cc, or you can become manager with 150cc in 4 months. Now, all these positions are permanent, my friends. There are no reversals. That company uses 2 consecutive calendar months or less to move up. So when the CCs are appropriately accumulated, you move up your positions. Suppose these CCs come from other countries you operate. They are not included in your domestic CCs, but they are used only for move up purposes. If CCs for the second month move up are generated in multiple countries, the move up for those FBOs will occur on the 15th of the following month after sufficient CCs are accumulated. For more understanding, I recommend you see the company policy. Now, let's start looking here at the marketing plan, coming back to our marketing plan structure. When you join free of cost online, it's very easy to join, friends. Now we have a My Forever app. Just log in, download the app and join as a preferred customer, and you receive a straight away 15% discount from on BRP, calculated on BRP. Now here's a wonderful point. All the 4 positions receive 30% wholesale discount on BRP. Here you can compare whatever the assistant supervisor receives, the manager receives, the assistant supervisor also receives the same 30% discount lifetime on his personal purchases, along with the 15% discount. Now, here you can see that the assistant supervisor and the manager, the assistant supervisor, supervisor, assistant manager, and the manager, they all get 15% preferred customer profit on the purchases made by the personally sponsored preferred customers and their downlines. Meaning, for example, if you're in a position of supervisor and you have sponsored A as your preferred customer, and he made some purchases, some X number of purchases. Now you get 15% on your personally sponsored preferred customer. Now, when the preferred customer A signs up B, and when B makes purchases, you also get 15% on B until the A achieves the position of assistant supervisor. So this is how it works. Isn't it wonderful, my friends? And not only that, we are just beginning to give away big bonuses, big checks. We have another bonus called personal bonus. Assistant supervisor receives 5% as personal bonus. Supervisor receives 8% personal bonus. Assistant manager receives 13% personal bonus, and the manager receives 18% personal bonus. Now, as and when your network grows, you start to pick up various volume bonuses. Here you can see that the supervisor receives 3% volume bonus on the assistant supervisor business and his downlines business. The assistant manager receives 5% bonus on the supervisor and his downlines and 8% on his assistant supervisor and his turnover. The manager receives 5% on the assistant manager, 10% on the supervisor, and 13% on the assistant supervisor and his business. Now, apart from the personal bonuses, they receive 15% preferred customer profit on the purchases made by they personally sponsor preferred customers and the downlines for lifetime. Now, putting it in a nutshell, here you can see that the assistant supervisor receives 5% bonus on his personal purchases and also the purchases made by his sponsored preferred customers. Supervisors receive 8% bonus on his purchases, on his personal purchases and the purchases made by his personally sponsored preferred customers. 3% volume bonus on the assistant supervisor and the downlines business. The assistant manager receives 13% bonus, personal bonus on his purchases and the purchases of his preferred customers, 5% volume bonus on the total sales of the supervisors and his downlines, 8% volume bonus on the assistant supervisors and her downlines. And when you come to the manager position, he receives 8% bonus on his own purchases and the purchases of his preferred customers, 5% volume bonus on the sales of the assistant managers and the downlines, 10% volume bonus on the supervisors and the downlines, 13% volume bonus on his assistant supervisors and his downlines. Now, here you need to understand that there are more achievements beyond this. This is just the start, my friends. Manager is not the end. Manager position is not the end. It is just the beginning in Forever Living marketing plan. To know more about the manager and beyond incomes and plan, you can attend the manager and beyond trainings for an in-depth learning. Now, what is the possible entry level income that we are looking at here? Once you join Forever, you have many prospects asking you, what is the possible level in income that I can earn? Here is this example. This is only for an illustration purpose. Suppose you and your family consume 4 gels per month, 4 aloe vera gels per month. And in the same manner, if you can convince and find 20 customer families to drink 4 gels per month, the total comes to 80 gels coming from the 20 families and 4 gels from you, a total to 84 gels. Now the total consumption of 80 plus 4 is 84 gels. Now you can also, this is taken as an for the illustration purpose only. Instead of aloe vera gels, you can take any kind of combination of products. Suppose a family likes to use skincare or nutritional supplements, you can include those also. This is just for a calculation purpose. So the profit, customer retail profit, preferred customer retail profit from these 20 customers comes to 33,440. And when you are in these positions of assistant supervisor, supervisor manager, and assistant manager, you also get these bonuses. At the level of assistant manager, you get a personal bonus of 5,854, and the total comes to 39,294. At the position of supervisor, he gets a personal bonus of 9,367, and the total comes to 42,807. And the assistant manager gets a personal bonus of 15,222. When added to this retail profit of 33,000, it comes to 48,662. And the manager, he receives 21,077 rupees as personal bonus. When added to the customer retail profit, it comes to 54,517. For most families, my friends, this amount, 54,000, be it 40,000, 50,000, is a great income, is a very, most families survive on this kind of income. And if you can earn this extra income, you can help so many people achieve them and make their life better. But you also need to follow these rules and regulations the company policy has, that you should never sell products below the NCP, the Novus customer price. Please follow these rules and be ethical. Do not sell products to your downline. Do not sell them to your cross lines. Don't undercut the products. And products of Forever are never sold in high street shops. It is totally illegal, my friends. And never sell products on online stores. like Amazon, Flipkart, and Snapdeal, it is totally against the uh, policy of the company, and the company takes strict action. It is on it has got AI, artificial intelligence, and finds out, once they find out that you are with these doing these kind of illegalities that you're carrying on, then they take stringent action. They may terminate your ID. So you need to make sure these are not followed by you, and teach the same to your downlines. So the possible monthly income from these preferred customer retail business alone is what you have seen just now. So coming to volume bonuses, this is another section of bonus that we are discussing now. Suppose you as a person has sponsored 5 FBOs. Now, the Forever Marketing Plan philosophy says, the company follows a philosophy which everybody must adhere to. All the rewards and efforts are paid equally, they are fair. The company says you cannot live off on the efforts of your team. You need to be active as well. This will only encourage you to help others. Once you are active, your downlines start following you, they idolize you, and this is the company's marketing plan is designed in such a way that you are paid according to your efforts. So if you are a direct preferred customers, now being as soon as you join and achieve certain position in Forever Living marketing plan, you can sponsor unlimited preferred customers, and to earn direct discount and to earn bonus on the preferred customers, basically you don't require any qualifications. And 5 to 18% volume bonus is paid based on your position. So volume bonus is paid only when you are in a certain position and achieve a certain position. You will also get preferred customer bonuses here. Now, as and when your team grows, you have started sponsoring FBOs. They turn into assistant supervisor. You make many supervisors. You train your team to achieve the position of assistant managers. So, as and when your team grows, your income grows. But the company says that it is important you also be active. To qualify for these bonuses from your team, the company says you need to make at least 4 CC open business, 1 CC on your personal ID, and 3 CC from the preferred customer FBOs. And the company also wants you to inculcate the habit of completing the 1 CC by 5th of every month, and complete the remaining 3 CC by the 15th of every month. Let's talk about leadership bonuses. Now, friends, this is an exciting bonus that you can achieve. You can start getting bigger checks with leadership bonuses. Now, how to qualify for that? Suppose you, as a manager, has a manager in your team, a directly sponsored manager in your team. You get to get leadership bonus from this manager. The company says you should make 12 CC open business. This 12 CC includes your 1 plus 3, 4 CC active business. Anything outside coming from the manager business is known as the open CC business. And if you have 2 managers under you, to qualify for the leadership bonus from these 2 managers, you should make 8 CC open business. Anything outside coming from these 2 managers is known as open business. Now, this 8 CC includes your active 4 CC business too. And if you have 3 managers, uh, to qualify for the leadership bonus, you need to make just 4 CC open business, my friends. Here you can understand the crux of the marketing plan. The more the team grows, the more the effort you put in growing and establishing your team, the lesser effort you need to put in having your own business, your own open business. So, and the remarkable and the fabulous thing is, if you develop 25 managers, you become a diamond manager, and your qualification is 0 CC. But remember, if a manager's business goes down under below 25 CC, he is no longer considered a manager. He is considered as an unrecognized manager. Now, let's start looking at the leadership and the gem bonuses. Now, you as a manager has a manager under you who is known as the first generation manager. Now, the first generation manager has a manager under him who is the second generation manager to you. And the second generation manager has a manager under him, and he is the third generation manager for you. Now, between 1 to 8 managers directly under you, you start getting 6% gem bonus on the first generation manager, 3% on the second generation manager, and 2% on the third generation manager. And when, just excuse me for 1 second, there's a technical glitch. Yeah. And now you can see that, if you have 9 to 16 gem managers, if you have 9 to 16 managers under you, now this 6% becomes 7% from the first generation manager, 3% becomes 4%, 2% becomes 3%. Similarly, if you have 17 to 24 gem managers under you, then this 7% becomes 8%, 4% becomes 5%, and 3% becomes 4%. And if you're a diamond manager and you have 25 managers under you, it gets even more exciting, my friends. You get 9% on the first generation manager, 6% on the second generation manager, and 3% and 5% on the third generation manager. So coming to volume bonuses. Now, not only the company pays you not only money on the different gem bonuses that you receive in the part of, it is designed to be fair. The company's marketing plan is designed to be fair, and it rewards hard work accordingly. You not only earn from your team, you earn the volume CCs too. Suppose, let's look at how the CCs of volume bonuses are added to your turnover. So let's say you have a manager, first generation manager, who has done 100 CCs in a month. 40% of his CC, volume CCs, are added to your volume. Similarly, a second generation manager, from the second generation manager CCs, 20% CCs are added to your volume. From the third generation, 10% CCs are added to your volume. So apart from all these bonuses, we have an exciting incentive, my friends. It's called car plan. I myself personally have qualified this car plan several times. I don't remember how many times I've qualified. So here the company says, since you have achieved a certain position, you also upgrade your lifestyle, get an upgraded car. Now for that, we have an incentive called car plan. There are 3 levels in this car plan, and the level 1, if you make 50cc turnover in first month, 100cc in the second month, and 150cc in the third month, you're paid 26,000 rupees. In the second level, 75cc, 150cc, and 225cc, you're paid 39,000. And in the third level, it is considered level 3 when you reach the target of 100cc, 200cc, and 300cc in the 3 consecutive months. You're paid 52,000 rupees. Now you can buy a car with this money, or you can use this money for anything that you dream of. But friends, can you buy a car with this money? I don't think so. So the company pays it for 36 months, my friends. Isn't it wonderful? So the company pays 9,36,000 for the first level qualifier. For the second level, they pay 14 lakhs. For the third level, they pay 18 lakhs. Now, sometimes it might happen that you will fall short of a couple of CCs. Now, the company calculates that shortfall, each CC, as into 173 rupees. They deduct that much CCs, that much money, and the rest is paid to you. So you're not punished. The company is very fair, my friends. It's very generous. So here we are looking at the manager's income potential. Suppose you as a manager has your team growing, you have many supervisors, assistant managers. If you have a supervisor, 30%, if suppose his turnover is 30cc, approximately comes to 4,23,000. This is an example. This, from his turnover, 10%, that is, which comes to 42,300 per month, is paid to you. And if he has an assistant manager and say his turnover is 100 cc, which is 4 lakhs, 14 lakhs 10,000. 5% of his turnover, that is 70,500 per month, is paid to the manager. So the income potential is of a manager is 1 lakh 12,800 per month. And but friends, I know managers earning more than this. There is no limit that a manager can earn. He can make unlimited number of supervisors, assistant managers under him. This is just for illustration purpose only. A manager income potential can be anywhere between 60K to 2 lakh per month. So what is the road to manager? Now here you can look at how what kind of road are you supposed to take to become a manager. There is a 2 month accumulation that is counted. Now, when you're doing these CCs that come from the other countries where you operate, they are not included for your domestic CC. To qualify the manager position, it is important that you do your 1+3 or active CCs in your domestic country. The CCs that come from abroad are only for the move up purposes. If the CCs for the second month move up are generated in multiple countries, the move up of those countries will occur on the 15th of following month, only after the sufficient CCs are accumulated. For more in-depth understanding and complete understanding, I recommend you go through the company policy. If you also look at how easy it is, even though it is not easy, but company is gives a remarkable thing that you can achieve manager position in the first and the second month. Say for example, first month you made 10 cc's turnover, in the second month you made 15 cc. 10 plus 15 is 25. You become supervisor with 25 cc. And this second month cc's 15 cc's are not gone waste, my friends. This month's 15 cc's can be added up to the third month 60 cc, which comes to 75 cc, and you can achieve the assistant manager position. You reuse the month cc's, and in the fourth month, suppose you again make 60 cc's, then you are a manager with 120 cc's. So from forever says from month one, you should start learning while earning. Bring more prospects because the company provides free trainings. Learn the marketing plan thoroughly. Learn more about the products. You build your confidence and spread that confidence into your team. You build your massive action plan. You start identifying and helping 5 business people like-minded like you to become supervisors. Then you automatically are a manager. Say 5 supervisors is 25 cc's into 5, 125 cc's, and you become a manager in one shot. So there are also other positions that you can achieve beyond manager. A manager who has 2 managers under him, directly sponsored 2 managers, he is known as a senior manager. A soaring manager has 5 managers under him. He achieves the position of soaring manager. The other positions, they are called gem manager positions. A manager who has 9 managers under direct managers under him is called sapphire manager. If he has 17 direct managers, he's called diamond sapphire. With 25 cc's, he's a diamond manager. With 50 managers, he is a double diamond manager. With 75 direct managers, he is known as a triple diamond. And the centurion diamond is the manager who has 100 direct managers under him. I met so many of these managers in the global rallies, my friends. It is so exciting to see them, carry themselves with pride, those pins that they are recognized with. Apart from that, there are so many travel incentives, my friends, that you can enjoy in forever. Now, these are types of holiday incentives. There are 3 types of incentives that the company gives you. One is manager retreat. Generally, it is somewhere in India. I lost count how many I attended in the last 19 years. All the managers retreats are great fun for you and your spouse. Then there is the Eagle Manager Retreat. They are in somewhere around the world. I attended an Eagle Manager Retreat in Italy. I can never forget it. Is company treats you like a VIP. and they put you in the best of the hotels, treat you with the best of the food, and give you a best of the time and fun that you can never imagine. Then there is the Global Rally. This is an annual travel incentive where the company holds a rally, a global rally, where all the top leaders of the world, all the people who have qualified, come to global rally, attend the global rally. I have attended several global rallies, and you can learn so much from all the cream of forever living. It is such great fun to try to achieve these incentives, to earn these incentives, my friends. Please try and do. There's an example here. For example, there's a manager's retreat. Uh, this is this, I think this is Falaknama Palace. I didn't get to attend this, but then this is Falaknama Palace in Hyderabad, my hometown. They give you 5-star treatment with 3 levels to qualify between 1st April and 31st March. This is one such example. So what are the levels to qualify for manager retreat? Now, you need to achieve 200 non-manager CCs, and you should personally sponsor and develop 2 new supervisors and 1 new assistant manager in your direct downline. You must be active with your 4 CC for the entire qualification period. All the move ups and the direct and happen in the qualification period only. All the CCs need to come from 3 or more direct non-manager lines. Then you qualify for the level 1. Qualify FBO will get an all expenses paid 2 night 3 day trip in a shared accommodation, and includes 1 flight ticket depending on the destination and the place of origin. All the meals during the stay are also sponsored by the company. Coming to level 2, you need to achieve at least 300 non-manager CCs. Then there's a you need to personally sponsor and develop 1 new supervisor and 2 assistant managers in your direct downline. You should be active throughout the qualification period with your 4 CC active FBO qualification. All the move ups should be direct and happen in the qualification period. All the CCs need to come from 3 or more direct non-manager lines. Qualifying FBO and spouse will get an all expenses paid 2 night 3 day trip, 2 flight tickets depending on the destination and the place of origin. All the meals are sponsored by the company. In case a single FBO, he gets to stay 1 day extra. And for the level 3, you need to achieve 400 non-manager CCs. Personally sponsor and develop 3 assistant managers and your direct line. You need to be active again with your 4 CC to enter throughout the qualification period. All the move-ups should be direct and happen in the qualification period. The CCs need to come from 3 or more direct non-manager lines. And the qualifying FBO and spouse will get an all expenses paid 3 night 4 day trip, 2 flight tickets, and all meals are sponsored. In case of a single FBO, he gets to stay 1 night extra. So here you can see that the level 3 qualification for non-managers. Non-managers also can attend a manager's retreat, my friends. Non-manager FBOs may participate as long as they move to active recognized manager within the qualifying period. Now, non-manager FBOs whose move-ups prior to they becoming recognized manager will also be counted as long as they are within the qualifying period. Now, these FBOs must remain active. This is one main qualifying that you need to do. Be active during the entire qualification period, even at non-manager levels. Non-manager FBO's case credit calculations will start from the month in which they become active recognized managers. For Eagle Manager Retreat and for more details on this manager's retreat, I recommend you attend Manager and Beyond trainings. Then coming to Global Rally, you get to visit a unique place in the world, my friends, during April and May. For more details, I again recommend you attend Manager and Beyond trainings. Minimum qualification is that you need to accumulate 1500 CCs in the qualifying year. And this also applies to the chairman's bonus. Please remember that getting visas is always your responsibility. It is always important that once you start knowing that you're going to attend Global Rally, keep your passport ready at least 6 months before the departure. It is your responsibility. Now, coming to chairman bonus. This is like a Diwali bonus, my friends. The entire global turnover, from the entire global turnover of Forever Living, 3% of global pool is set aside. And this 3% is, after converting it into dollars, this pool is shared among all the FBOs qualifying for this incentive. Now, let's see how this payout works. Depending on the CCs, this payout is given away to these qualifying people. For chairman bonus qualification, again, these are the criteria that you have to meet. You have to be a recognized manager. You have to be active every month after becoming the recognized manager during the incentive period. This is the calendar month. For chairman bonus, the qualifying period is Jan to December. You must be qualified for the earned incentive in any chairman bonus participating country. Suppose you are a chairman bonus qualifier in India, you need to qualify for the car plan in India. You must also qualify for all the leadership bonuses every month during this incentive periods. Now, there are three levels in chairman's bonus. Say, for example, the global pool is 15 million. Now, how is this 15 million divided? This 15 million is divided in three levels, among three levels. The first level, say an example, this is just for an illustration purpose. 7.5 million is given away in level 1, in level 2, 5 million, in level 3, 2.5 million, a total of 15 millions. Now, the best part is if you're a qualifier of level 3 and level 2, you also receive, those who were qualified for level 1 also receive the amount pooled in level 2 and level 3. Now, each level has certain dollars amount and CCs accumulated in it. Total amount in each level will be divided by the total CCs in each level. Each level CC will have a dollar value associated with it. That's how they calculate. For example, if you have accumulated 5,000 CCs in a year and one CC is say $5 in level 1, then you receive a chairman bonus check in the level 1 which comes to $25,000. So that is a big check that you receive as a Diwali bonus, apart from every monthly check that you get. My friends, isn't 17 lakh rupees a big check as a Diwali bonus? Now, level 1 CC value will be approximate. This is again an example. Say the level 1 value of CC, dollar value of CC is X. Level 2, it is X plus Y. In level 3, the dollar CC value will be XZ plus Y plus X. So your total volume CCs in each level will be multiplied by X, Y, or Z. Now your chairman bonus will be a total of X, Y, and Z. So friends, this is an international business. You need to understand that Forever Living Products is operating successfully in 160 plus countries, and you become a wholesale qualified to expand your business globally. You know, in different other companies, they are so many strong rules and regulations. If you need to operate outside the country, you need not be present in the foreign countries to operate your business. Each country will be considered as a separate business. But your sponsor will be the same in every country. If any one of your downline starts working abroad, say for example you have relatives in UK or US, you will remain there applying even though you're here in India because you sponsored them. Then you will start getting bonuses automatically from abroad, even you without going there. So isn't it a wonderful and generous business plan, my friends? You sitting here are operating an global international business. It's a remarkable and revolutionary business plan. So if you're to operate in the international foreign countries, the company suggests you notify Mumbai headquarters for each country that you wish to operate via email or by phone. For more queries, you can call the business line in that country. Please call the appropriate country, not in Mumbai. And 1+3 qualification, the active CC qualification, are counted only when you're in your home country. So friends, if you have a dream, if you have a dream of getting freedom of time, if you have a dream of being financially independent, if you have a desire to achieve something in life, Forever has a plan. Now, all we can do is share our experience. We share the plan with you. You should have the desire to take the plan. They say that a goal without an action stays as a dream. So, a chief economist, Zig Ziglar, named Zig Ziglar, has once said that if you help enough people achieve what they want, you automatically get what you want. So if you have a dream, we have a marvelous plan. So this is just the beginning, my friends. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best in all your future endeavors. I wish you all the success. Thank you so much.